Hi and hello there, Iris! So, alamin natin dito kung ano ba yung gustong sabihin sa'yo ng isang person dito. Pwedeng yan yung gusto niya rito iparating or baka meron siya ritong hidden words para sa'yo, Iris, no? So, yan. Okay, basta ikaw yung pinatutungkulan, no? Yan ang maaari natin makuha dito, no? So, hi and hello sa ating mga bagong viewers. My name is Yan. Returning instant buyers, thank you sa inyong walang sawang love and support for me. At kung di niyo pa alam, may pa po tayo na other channel link down below sa ating description box. If interested, i-click lang yan para makarating kayo there araw-araw ay nag-upload tayo ng collective readings for all signs doon. At yun nga, no, wala tayo ditong gender by lalaki, LGBT, lahat tayo welcome. So let's see. Archangel Michael, maraming salamat, Angel guides. Can we get this person's words para kay Aries? Mga gusto niyang sabihin, no? Or mga hindi niya masabi-sabi pero laman ng kanyang puso at isip. Can you please show me? This reading is for Aries. Cross-watchers ni Aries, welcome ka rin. May Aries placement sa natal/birth chart. Welcome din kayo. Just take only what resonates. Okay, I'm getting the word beloved. Ooh. Or parang sa Tagalog, kung di ako nagkakamali, no? Aking minamahal or sa aking minamahal. Oh, that is the Aries. We have the Fool. We have the Hierophant. Ooh. The Knight of Cups. Six of Cups. You know, I'm getting a different vibe from here. Ten of Candles, Lord of Candles. Yeah, Lord of Candles, the full card energy. Definitely, this is a new person here. Not someone na naka-relationship mo na. We have the High Priestess para sa ating bottom of the deck together with the Nine of Cups and the Ace of Candles. Definitely a new passionate beginning here. I do see Ace of Candles. Okay, full card energy. Definitely two indications or confirmations na itong person na to, no? Pero, how can a new person, Miss Yan, na meron ng masasabi sa akin, eh hindi niya pa nga ako kilala? Okay? Well, here's the thing. I do see that with the full card energy and the Six of Cups, Hierophant right in here, this is the person here destined for you. So, meron siya ritong mensahe to his or her beloved daw, no? Future spouse. Yay! Darating at darating ako at hahanapin kita. Makikilala kita kahit na ano pang maging kaanyuan or kahit na sino ka pa. Makikilala at matutuntun ka ng aking puso. So, this is like a love letter in advance for you. So, kasi naman tong energy na to, this person here could be doing a lot of things para ma-improve ang kanyang sarili. At kamakailan lang ay maaaring meron siyang na-achieve na success na I'm seeing trophy right in here. Maaaring nanalo or naging successful yung project, work, or baka siya ay entrepreneur, business owner. No? Meron ditong energy na meron siyang na-meet na possible quota, sales, na-hit na sales, or pwede rin naman na meron siya ditong promotion na nakuha. No? There's an achievement right in here no? Just recently happened sa kanyang life. No? Wow, Aries, kasi naman tong energy na to, this person here is a very loving individual and this person here is telling me no, na para siya ritong nakikipag-usap sa'yo, no? Okay? Before siya matulog with the Nine of Kills energy, this person keeps on thinking about you but without strain. So, kung sino man tong energy na to with the Knight of Cups, this person wants to tell you that he or she is so excited to meet you. Okay? Whoever you are, this person here will surely recognize you daw. Makikilala kita, aking minamahal or my beloved, kahit na hindi ko alam sa ngayon ang iyo ritong kaanyuan, alam ko at makikilala ka ng aking puso. Dadalhin ako ng aking mga paa papunta sa'yo. This sounds poetic right here. So this person here could not be literally Makata or what, no? But this person here, I'm feeling the vibe na romantiko siya. Sweet. Okay? And I do see that this person here will love you to the extent na he or she will gagawin kanya ritong kanyang whole world, no? Iikot sa iyo ang kanyang mundo or buhay, no? And look at that, magkakakilala talaga kayo, Lord of Candles energy, no? And your intuition, no? And this person's intuition, okay, ang magiging daan para magtagpo kayo at makilala ninyo ang isa't isa. Sa very first meeting, both of you, okay? Because you are also someone intuitive, sweetheart, okay? Mataas rin dito ang intuition mo. So at first, you might not understand it, pero instantly makakaramdam ka that there's something here na meron kang mafe-feel and you're like, ano yun? Parang there's something here na parang feeling ko, matagal ko na siyang kilala or parang feeling ko may kakaiba dito sa person na 'to. Will there be a connection for us? But this is a new person. This person is a stranger to me now. Yan, oh. Pero agad-agad, meron ka na agad na mararamdaman dito sa person na 'to. And this person will feel that, no? Both of you, you could be intuitives right here. And I do see that both of you will recognize each other. Yan. So I do see that this is your person and ikaw ang kanyang person. No? Definitely, this is the love of your life telling you that he or she is doing fine, doing okay. And I hope ikaw din daw sa kung ano man ang ginagawa mo ngayon. Okay, this person here is telling you na excited na ako makilala ka, no? Ganun siyang klase ng energy, Aries, and with the Ten of Candles energy, sinusubukan ko na mas i-improve pa yung situations ko right now. I'm also doing na solusyonan yung mga circumstances at situations na kailangan ko dito na bigyang pansin and I hope nagagawa mo rin na malampasan yung mga pagsubok at problems mo dito. Ayan o. So definitely Aries, kung sino man tong energy na to, no, he or she is someone here, no, na alam mo yung kinakausap ka niya even though hindi niya pa alam kung sino ka, nasan ka, no, or kailan ka niya makikilala, no, but this person here knows in his or her heart that you're meant to be, that you're meant to cross paths, that you're meant to be together, that you are his or her love of his or her life, that you are, okay, his or her future spouse, that he or she wants to spend the rest of his or her whole life with. So definitely with the high priestess, your intuition no, will be on point, especially on the day that you will meet this person here. Now, I don't know, I'm picking up right here 3 months from now. Maybe others of you, that could be the earliest possible time you will meet this person here. But yeah, no, gamitin nyo, no, yung natitira dito 3 months from now, no, for the preparation here, okay? For this very beautiful meeting, no, dito sa taong ito, no, who happens to be the love of your life, Aries, no. Alam mo parang ang dami niyo ng pinagdaanan, no, pero ito pa lang yung first time na nakita niyo each other eye to eye, no. And with the Six of Cups right in here, definitely this person right in here ay someone na nakakonect mo na, no, sa iyo ritong past lives. So no wonder na meron kayo ritong parang klase ng feeling of familiarity. There's this sense of comfortable na parang feeling, no, and yun kasi yun. Okay? Maybe because you've already shared past lives experiences together with this person. Okay? And I do see, no, that after meeting this person here, like the first day, both of you will like, parang hindi kayo makakatulog agad, no, may isip mo, no, siya, no, at ganun din siya, no, both of you, parehas kayo dito na magiging energy. And for some reason, you will take action, no, the next morning, and this person will also take action the next morning, okay, to do something para mag-reconnect or magkaroon kayo ng connection. O the Aries, no? So definitely this is something here, no, na pwede ninyong i-look forward. See how beautiful, no, yung nakikita natin here, no? Kasi this person here clearly gives me the vibe that he or she is definitely very adamant, no? Very sigurado na mamimit ka niya rito, no? Yung woman, yung man of his or her dreams, no? And I love it, no? Because this person here is telling me na mare-recognize niya kayo kahit ano pang kaanyuan ninyo, ano pang itsura ninyo. So definitely, borado yung kanyang memory of his or her past lives. No? Pero look at how this person speaks. This person speaks from the heart, diba? So whoever this energy is, this energy here is giving me the vibe of he or she is someone ready for love, ready to fall in love with the right person, and that right person happens to be you. Okay, I do see that the first meetup will happen in a crowd or there are people here, no? Pero yung people na yon, no, halos kilala ninyo, okay, on your side, okay? So, I don't know what that really means, no? Pero, may kilala mo siya dun sa parang madaming tao at yung maraming tao na yon, no, ay puros kakilala mo. Ote, isn't it something here, no, na napakalinaw din talaga na hint or clue for you guys? Okay, sorry about that commercial mga babes. Let's talk about this na ulit. Na ito na natin yung pinag-uusapan natin dito. So, yun nga, 'di ba? This is something here, no, na very amazing, no, na parang someone here kahit hindi niya alam kung ano yung exactly nangyari, no, sa inyong past lives dito, no, this person has this feeling of familiarity, no, na alam niya talaga rito kung sino yung person para sa kanya. See? So definitely, this is the type of energy na nakikita ko dito, no, who wants to take care of you, uh, who wants to take care of the things around you, no? So, pwedeng kapag kayo ay magka-connect na, pati yung mga problems mo, tutulungan ka rin niya na resolbahin yung mga yan. See? So, initials right here, yes, we do have capital letter J, capital letter N, capital letter M, capital letter C, and capital letter L. Small letters, we have S, A, I, L. Oh, sail. So, definitely maaaring itong person na 'to 'no, ay manggaling at sumakay 'no, sa, sasakyan na pandagat 'no, or, maaaring tawid dagat 'no, or whatever, just take only what resonates here 'no. And for small letters, I'm also seeing O and letter F. So, these are all the messages I've got right here for my Aries people. Again, I'm Yuriana only for the girls and Yana, do not for the boys. Sana ngayong love and light. Ayan.